Okay guys, good morning. Sa ngayon, may lakad kami dalawa ni Tito. Pupunta kami ng Apari, Cagayan. Yan, maglo-long ride kami guys. Yan, ingat sa amin. God bless sa ride namin ni Tito. Yan. Okay.
Go on, leave me breathless. Come on. The daylight's fading slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel weak. I cannot lie. From you I cannot hide. And I'm losing will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Tempt me, tease me, till I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on. And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream, although I'm not asleep. And I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Tempt me, tease me, until I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. So yeah, come on. And I can't lie. From you I cannot hide. And I've lost my will to try. Can't hide it, can't find it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Tempt me, tease me, until I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless.
Guys, Apari. Nasa Apari na kami guys. Touchdown na Apari. Welcome to Apari guys. Pinakadulo ng Pilipinas guys. Welcome to Apari. Biyaheng norte to guys. Hey. Okay guys, nakarating na kami dito sa pinupuntahan namin. Rapali, Apari po. Yan, sinamahan ko po yung tito ko. Ay nako, exactly 3 hours lang biyahe namin. Gagaraw to Apari po. 3 hours lang talaga. Kala ko 4 hours. Hey, shout out tito. Tito. Shout out. Hey. Sana all naka-aerox guys. Yan. May lalakad lang kami dito. Yan, kay ma'am, ganda. Yan, back to video tayo mamaya guys. Tapusin lang namin itong lakad namin. Yan. Hey. Shoutout guys. Okay guys, for info, pauwi na kami guys. Yan, ayun, may nilakad lang kami sa Apari, sa Rapali, Apari. Yan, guys, paano naman, palang sunod tong video na to. Salamat guys. God bless.